Dave Nerds from Minecraft. I've just been hanging out with my little doggy for a while. Pretty cute. Right guys? Today we're just gonna What the? Coming from the roof, or is that coming from the Hope's bedroom? Well, I'll be coming in from Hope's bedroom. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out with this guy for a bit. Pretty cute. Just bought him. Now what I really like is, do you know how they have like scratches on them with like gray? They actually made that. That's why I like it. That's why I really like this guy. And they also added the red collar, which I pretty much like. And yeah, he's pretty cute, isn't he? Isn't he, guys? Yeah, he's pretty cute. He's pretty cute. He's cute a lot. Really cute. It's usually, oh my god! Guys, let's just annoy, my sister. Yeah. This is where he likes to hang out, and there's some green thing right here. It's nice, isn't he? Be quiet, please. She has this new flute. So yeah, he's pretty cute. Yeah, he's pretty cute and stuff. He's usually just like staying out here for a while I'm out doing my normal life stuff. You can just hang out in here, having a good time in there, just hanging out. Just ignore my sister. Guys, please do not turn. Guys, if you have your volume all the way up, please turn it down, because the flute is going to get really loud soon. And if you turn your volume up that, it's going to go, the flute is going to go like, so you guys better blow your volume down if it's up, all the way up. I think you already did, if it was like that. He's pretty cute. Do not look at my sister. We're potty training, and yup, you know what we do, and you know what people do when we're potty trained. Baby's naked, baby's naked. Oh, please. Get it off my... Seriously, get this off of this phone. Yeah, he's a pretty cute dog. And like in the other video, you can go ahead and remember what I told you in Toy R Us thing, the Toy R Us thing, how to get him. So if you haven't seen that video, you should go see it. It's My Cute Little Puppy How to Get It. That's exactly what it's called. Oh my. Which you'll know how to get this guy. Right here. He's pretty cute. See him stand up. Can you even see him? He's pretty cute, isn't he? Oh, just please. Guys, we're going to do another picture. We're going to do another picture. Okay, that was a good picture, right, guys? You think that was a good picture? Good. Do not look at her butt. Do not look at Hope's butt. No. I'm not going to show you. Oh, it shows the actual stuff that is. So yeah, he's pretty cute. Let's just have a picture of him. Did you think that was a good picture? Okay, now it's just a picture of just me. Okay, that was 2 pictures that I did. So yeah, he's pretty cute. I like him so much. So cute. But Hopi could not buy. Oh God, I'm touching his eye.
Why?
Hopi could not buy her toy Ender Dragon. Please be quiet, please. You want me to put you over there? Hey, buddy, do you want me to put you over there, under there? So yeah, she wanted a toy Ender Dragon. That's it. That is it. Stay over there for only a couple of minutes while I say this. She wanted a little pet Ender Dragon, but Mom said no. So maybe in some other videos you can see him over there, under there. So I'll see you in the next one, and maybe you can hang out with the puppy a little more. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Good. Bye!